business from anywhere. Acumatica allows you to access your financial applications anywhere you have a browser and an internet connection. In this example, I will access a hosted server from my office computer. I am using the Internet Explorer browser, but all major types of browsers are supported, including Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, and Google Chrome. As I review journal transactions in the General Ledger, notice that the response time is fast. This is because Acumatica is designed for the web. As I use the application, only the data that I request is sent to my browser. Applications components such as images, static HTML, and static data classes are cached in the browser so the application looks and feels like it is running as a local desktop application, even when doing a full context search. Even data-intensive tasks, such as running a detailed trial balance report, deliver a rapid response time. Once the report is generated, scanning pages can be accomplished quickly because only the data being displayed is transferred to the browser. Acumatica allows me to access my business applications from anywhere, and I can use my mobile phone or tablet device without installing apps or connecting to a VPN. The web-centric design of Acumatica enables the screen to adapt to the device I'm using without additional programming or configuration. For more information about Acumatica, visit our website to read documentation and view other videos.